In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M33, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this Samsung. You need to start by accessing tab menu. Then look for Portrait or Auto Rotate shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is over here, and when I click, it says Auto Rotate. That means that automatic screen rotation is now enabled. In order to disable it, click on this shortcut until it says Portrait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!